percentage is greater than 60, percentage is less than 45. These conditions are easy to understand and write. But in many cases, we have to check whether the percentage is between 45 and 60. We have to check the range. And Python offers a very simple way to handle this. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. Today, we will learn how to use the range function. So far, we have studied how to use relational operators, logical operators. Using this, let's write a program to check whether a number is between 50 and 100. First, accept the value of variable x with the input function. And as usual, we will convert that into an integer using the int function. Now, to check if x is between 50 to 100, we will write the condition. If x greater than or equal to 50, then an AND operator, then the condition x less than or equal to 100. Then give a colon. In the next line, give an indent and write the message, the number is in the range. In the else part, we will print the message that number is not in the range. Well, our program is ready. But it's a very traditional way of writing a program to check the ranges. Python gives us a straightforward way to implement this using range function. In the program, we will change the if statement. Here, we will write if, then x, then in like this. After this, a range function, and then in the bracket, we will pass the number separated by comma. Range function accepts the lower and upper limit of for the value x. It will check if the value of x is in the given range or not. Let's run the code. Here, we will enter the value as 75. Well, we got the correct output. Rerun the program and enter the value as 25. Well, this is our output. Listen, range function serves many purposes in Python. We can use the range function in many ways. We will learn many other uses of range function in our later session. Well, this was about the range function. But Python provides one more way to check the number in the range. Let's take a small program. Actually, the same one, but using a different method. We will first accept the x input. Then we will write if, and then 50 less than x. Then again less than symbol, and then the value 100. Then we will write the print statement and the else part. The if statement may look a bit confusing. Let's try to understand if condition over here. 50 less than x checks whether 50 is less than x or not. The second part checks if x is less than 100 or not. Let's run the code. Enter the number 45. Well, we got the correct output. Here, program first check whether 50 is less than x or not. The result is false, and hence we got this result. Now, enter the number 95. Here, program first check whether 50 is less than x or not. Yes, 50 is less than 95. Then it check whether x is less than 100 or not. 95 is less than 100. Since both the conditions are true, our number is in the range, and we got this output. I hope you understood a bit of this. The only way to get hold of this is to practice. All the practice examples are available in this URL. Before we end this session, let's rerun the program and enter the value as 50. Well, our program is saying 50 is not in the range, but ideally 50 should be in the range. To resolve this issue, we'll change the less than condition to less than equal to, like this. Please write this program and run it in your online editor. This was all about range operator in Python. We'll be learning and using range operators in different way, but all that in the later session. Thanks for watching.